Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to assign a cash drawer. So once you sign in as the user that you want to assign the cash drawer to, now this could be an individual person, or if you have two or more people using the same cash drawer and you want to use like a shared cash drawer, then you want to create a generic user for that. But whatever user that is, you sign in with that PIN number. So in this case, we use PIN number 1 to sign in as John Smith. We're going to go to the menu up here at the top right, and down here we see the option to attach drawer. We're going to select attach drawer, and it's going to ask for the starting bank amount. So if you already have money in the till, you basically just count the money that's in the till. Or if you have an empty till and you're putting money in the till, you count whatever you're going to put in the till. So basically whatever money you're putting in the drawer is the amount you want to put in here. So I'm just going to do a round number and just put 200. And then you select confirm down here on the bottom, and that should pop your drawer open and allow you to put the money / till into the drawer, and you're good to go. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.